Okay, so in this activity, we looked at tape diagrams and we actually started looking at dividing by fractions and how that affects the original number. And so let's take a look. It says Birani is making a rice dish from South Asia. Three students have the same recipe using different size scoops. Okay, so they need 4 cups of rice, and really this is a division problem. So you've got you need 4 cups of rice, and you've got scoops that are 2 cups. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and so I need 2 of those scoops for Hangjung. 2. Leah James would be 4 divided by 1/2. Now, if I have 4 cups that I need, and I only have 1/2, that's 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. I'm going to end up needing eight things, 8 scoops, and so 8 scoops, and then is it just those 2 people? Yep. Okay. Submit. And here we go. Same thing, but now they've got a 1/3 cup scoop. So you've got 4 divided by 1/3 equals. It's going to be hard for me to draw this. I'm going to go really big. So I cut that in half. I cut that in half. Each one of these is getting it divided into 3 pieces. And so when I do that, I end up with 12 pieces. And so 4 divided by 1/3 is 12. That is totally different than 1/3 divided by 4, because I'm just going to do 4. Each piece has 3, so times 3 equals 12. Next. And here we go. What division problem is this? That looks like 2 divided by is not on this list. It's under ABC. Divided by 1/4. Equals, and there's 8 pieces. Submit. Here we go. To make that fraction, I just hit a slash. Sorry, I didn't explain that. 2-pound bag, 6 cats. Each cat eats 2/3. So you've got 2 divided by 6 equals 2/3. That doesn't work. It's not going to even last a day. Because you've got 6 cats. That would be 1/3. You've got 2/6, which is 1/3 each. So which picture is it? Looking at all of these, you've got 2 pounds of bags and you got 6 cats. So you got 2 divided by 6. And so it kind of shows that each cat needs 1/3 of that. So I'm going to go with B. B is the best model for that. Those cats are going to starve to death. It'll last half a day. It'll end up lasting half a day. Shade in the boxes to be 1/3. Oh, this is kind of neat. 1/3 is the same as 2/6. 1/2 is the same as 3/6. Can I do that? Let's see if I can scroll underneath it. Okay. 5/6 equals, well, 5/6. There you go. So 1/3 is the same as 2/6. 1/2 is the same as 3/6, and 5/6 is just 5/6. It doesn't simplify. Spiral review. When you multiply one number by another number, let's try a couple. Like 3 times 2 definitely gives you a bigger number. 6. But 3 times 1 doesn't give you a bigger number. It only gives you 3. And then if you were to go into fractions or decimals, like 3 times 1/2 or 3 times 0.5, both of those equal 1.5, 3 halves, depending on how you look at it, 1.5. And so Yeah, I'm going to say sometimes. You sometimes get it. Not always. Submit. And let's see how I did. Yay, I got them correct. And I'll see you in the next video.